All right. Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, February 24th, 2025. You're in the live trading room. Tim the Trader, of course. Welcome. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. And here is last Friday's chart and trades. I had 10 trades, did a bunch of trades that day, and ended up plus 115 and times 10 contracts ended up 3150 for the week based on 10 contracts. I trade more than 10 contracts most of the time, but I just base it on 10 contracts. And let's see, boy, we had a big sell off happen on Friday after we got off, and it just went down and down. And Q ended up at 526.64, and currently it's sitting. Q is sitting at 528.22, so no gap play this morning. Let's move on up. I'm going to get rid of something here. Okay, so let's head over to the option chain, and we're going to trade tomorrow's expiration. These will even out a bit. We've got 993,000 in on the pre-market and over the weekend volume that's come in. So we will start, at or near the money, which would be the 528 on the call side, 529 on the put side, although most likely we'll go one in the money, which would put us at the 527 on the call side and the 530 on the put side. And there is that. So let me go back over to here. And let's all say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend too. Have a number of announcements this week, but this morning, not really much of anything. We will have a bond auction at 11:30. Actually, two of them at 11:30 and one of them at 1 o'clock. And President Trump will be doing a speech this afternoon at 2 o'clock with the French president. So that'll be happening there. Going to have a number of housing reports out this week and some manufacturing reports out this week, but nothing today except for the 2 o'clock Trump speech. So that's about it from there.
Okay. Okay. And yep, basically whatever he says will affect the markets generally if there's anything doing with the economy or almost anything really. Um, So just a reminder, as we do every day, to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on your charts. So we're always looking at the same charts or the same size candles each time. Let me get that over to here. There we go. Let a few people in. And there we have it. So weather is finally going to start to warm up here in the cold, bitter South. Thank goodness. Okay, we've got a little less than a minute to go. Let me get my volume chart set properly here. There it is. All right, coming up on 30 seconds. Again, we are trading tomorrow's expiration, 25 February 25, 25 to 25. Let's make it a good start to the week. There's 15 seconds. There's 10. Stand by, everybody. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are in. And we popped over a million there on that first minute. Over a million in the underlying. Let's see. Let me get logged into Schwab and see what the broader markets are doing. All right, so we got positive markets all the way across. Got the Dow up by 143, Nas up by 71, S&P up by 19 and a half. Price not moving a whole lot these first few minutes. Of course, we wait for our breakout. Sometimes we get it a little early. Sometimes we have to wait for a bit. But that is what we trade. We trade breakouts and trends. A little push up. So just to reiterate, it'll be at the 527 on the call side, 530 on the put side. Getting a little nice little push up going on here. So we'll keep an eye on this 527 on the call side. Getting a nice push up here, but we're going to hold off here a little bit. Price slowly coming back down to earth. Dow's now up to 210, Nas up 94, S&P up 27.
The Ivan sticking his head in here early today.
Yeah, that's a crazy Ivan we just had.
Wow. Yeah.
And down it goes. All right, we'll keep an eye on that 529 on the put side, 529, although I suspect this is going to bounce. So, what had happened there, you can see on that second minute in, 9:32 minute, market maker tried bringing up price pretty aggressively, only to get reversed out, ran out of traders real quickly, and then just that move collapsed completely. We are in a put bias position on both our MACDs. All right. Keeping an eye on that 529 on the put side. Stand by. Got some volume coming in. See if this call can get turned around. I'd much rather enter a call with the markets being up as much as they are. I mean, they're not up massively, but they're on the positive side of things. But we may have to do a put first.
Think I'm gonna do a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. And I'm going to the 520. No, I'm going to go to the 529 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 529. And I am in 402.
405 for me.
All right. We just want to bounce around in this range here a little bit. Getting some volume in.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to take around 10 cents or so on this.
Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and hold off here. Come on down. Come on. Thank you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. Yep, tried to. There we go. 14 cents or 414, 402 to 414.
I got 419, 14 cents, 405 to 419.
Okay. All right, I'm going to go right back to that 528 on the put side. And just keep an eye on it. Maybe all we get out of it. Good volume coming in on this minute, though.
Yes, sir.
So we've got 3,200,000 in on the underlying. We're sort of slowly selling off here, but a lot of reversals. Big push up on that last minute. So reversal candle at that 943. We end up over on the call side will be at the 525 on the call side, 525.
We can put a demand zone in there too.
Mm-hmm. Day to that. All right, guys, over at the 525 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 525 and in at 421.
I got in at 418.
Okay. So far, pretty good volume.
Yeah, a number of those candles are up around 100,000 or above.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get up there. Come on, bounce off that demand zone and get back up there.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Oof.
Let me get out of this thing. Well, let me see what if we get a crazy Ivan on this first.
Yeah.
Bouncing right at Friday's close.
Is it?
Yep.
All right, time to get out of this.
I'm out.
Are you? All right, I'm out.
Right down at Friday's low now. Looking at the 527 on the put side.
Yep.
Enter that. In at 378.
Ah, not getting in. Okay. Got in at 343.
Oh, which strike?
Oh, 526.
Oh, I did 27. Okay. Go ahead and try to get out of this. And out at 405. 378 to 405.
Nice. Three and getting out. All right. 343 to 376.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, the NAS is down 70, S&P's down 6, and Dow's up 52.
Mm-hmm.
5.3 million underlying traded. That MACD's down on the Heikin chart down minus 1.3, so it's getting down pretty low.
Yes, it is.
I would normally put a true supply zone in there on the fourth and fifth the third and fourth candles, but it's right by where we currently have the demand zone.
Yeah, we may just flip that.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going back to the 526 on the put side. Unless, of course, this has managed to reach a bottom. A lot of volume here these last minutes.
I'm sorry.
A lot of volume
Yes, look at that.
here these last 8 or so minutes, 8, 9 minutes.
And we're 3 minutes from the pop. No announcements today, but there still may be a pop here.
Mm-hmm.
Market makers trying to fill the warehouse before that pop, I think.
Yep.
Well, Nas is down over 100 now, 113.
Mm.
S&P's down 11. Dow's up 27. Definitely a sell-off from the open.
Yeah, massive sell off. See if we're going to get a rebound off of this or just stay down at the bottom here.
20 seconds to the pop.
Here we go.
Go.
Wow. Still selling off deeply. Pop did not turn things around.
No.
Boy, what is driving this?
Fear, man. Fear.
Yeah.
So the MACD's down almost to 2.
Yeah.
What is it on the 5 minute here? 2.4 on the 5 minute. Went ahead and got in the 524 on the put for 437. Try to take profit here. Got 22 cents on that, 437 to 459.
Good job.
Just down 2 cents for the day. Three positive trades and had that one negative trade.
Well, that's much better than I'm doing.
MACD's trying to turn around. Now it's trying to go back down again. Wow. Yeah, everything's red now. Dow's down 61. Nas is down 210.
Mm-hmm.
S&P's down 30. 8.7 million underlying trading. Wow. Hate to keep trying to get in on a put here. This is going to turn around sometime.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's interesting, Tim. We started green for the day, and the only losing trade has been a call.
Yeah. Wow. This thing just keeps selling off and selling off. It's going to turn.
As soon as you get into a put, it's going to turn.
Yep.
The supervisors of those market makers are come into the trading room and say, "Hey guys, what are you doing? Come on."
Mm-hmm. Oh, come on.
What do you think of the 521 on the call?
Yeah. All right. Stand by on this 521 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. Ooh, nice. Got in at 409.
Pass me by. Oops. 414 to get it.
Let's see. We're going to put another demand zone in on the bottom here.
Come on, get back up there.
Mm-hmm. Dow's gone back positive.
I went ahead and took profit on that.
All right, let's go ahead and take some profit here and out at 465. 409 to 465.
414 to 464. 50 cents. Wow.
Yeah, that helped a lot.
I'm up 48 cents for the day now.
All right.
Interesting. You look back at the 10 o'clock minutes or just before it, we sort of had some intermediate zone there and pretty much doing the same thing but going up now.
Mm-hmm. Going into a little bit of consolidation here, a little bit of indecision.
We certainly have had some big moves there today without actually any intermediate zones in there
No.
to draw in. And you look at the volumes from like 948 to just recently, everything was probably at least 100,000 except for 1 minute there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 11.2 million underlying traded so far. Okay.
It has definitely picked up volume. Volume has not been bad all morning, actually. Only a few under 100,000.
Yeah, yeah. Analyst says Microsoft is cutting AI spending, which may have led to sell-off.
Interesting.
They've certainly been throwing a lot of money in it, that's for certain,
Yeah.
both from the algorithm point of view and the hardware point of view.
I wonder why their pullback on spend.
I'm curious, just hypothesizing a little, whether some of the stuff that Elon's trying to cut in the government is AI algorithm stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I'm purely guessing, or whether like Microsoft is concerned that they're going to cut back on that. All right, trying to head back down again. $524 in the put. Naturally, I say that and it goes up.
Right.
Wow, look at that. Ugh,
You're powerful, Keith.
I should work for E.F. Hutton.
That's right.
Wow. Didn't want to go up there.
Yeah, that was a big shooting star there just for a few seconds.
Yeah. The second stage of the rocket didn't want to kick in.
Uh-uh. Again, into a bit of consolidation here.
Volume is really trickling down now,
It is.
huh? Only the Dow Jones is positive, the rest are negative.
Yep. Dow up by 76, Nas down by 145, S&P down by 11. We've got 12 million, just crossed over 12 million in the underlying. Selling off again. Cross back over into the put side on our Pike-Ganassi MACD. 12,200,000 in on the underlying. Dow's up by 54, Nas down by 174, S&P down by 17. All right, so we're an hour in. We got 12,800,000 in on the underlying. Dow is up 50, Nasdaq's down 180, S&P's down 19. I was having a difficult time getting turned around here. We're in a pattern of lower lows, lower highs as market continues to sell off. Okay, excuse me for a minute. Okay, I'm back. It's like every time price tries to get a little foothold up, it gets beaten back by the sellers. Price trying to climb out of this hole. Dow holding on to a positive number here, just barely. NASDAQ down 181, S&P down 18. Down trying to get through the demand zone. Excuse me.
NVIDIA reports quarterly earnings Wednesday evening, too.
Mhm.
Market closes. But the general consensus is the AI in sector is actually fearing a pullback.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clark Bellin, I don't recognize the name, but he's the president and chief investment officer at Bellwether Wealth. Regardless whether of the Friday's PCE, that is personal consumption expenditures, says it's likely the Fed remains on hold when it comes to any interest rate decision for at least the next 6 months.
Hmm.
And you heard it here first.
Yes, we did.
Mm. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Okay. Getting a little reversal move here. Price continuing to fall off here. Probably be safe to do some put trades here. I would wait for it to reverse a bit and then do a put trade. This sell-off doesn't seem to. I mean, it's getting some reversals, but it's just continuing to sell off. Price bouncing up again a little bit after reaching that low. Okay, guys, we got top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. It's been a bit of an unusual morning, bit of a ride. Ended up with three positive trades, that one negative trade on that call trade, and so not bad for a Monday. All right. That's it.
I had 5 trades, 1 negative, 4 positive, up 48 cents.
All right. So good Monday. Good morning.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. That's it for today. We will all see you. We'll see you all tomorrow morning. You guys have a good afternoon.
All right. Have a good day, everybody.